Hi all, in this video I would like to explain the third specialized satellite application, that is GPS, Global Positioning System. It is a kind of radio navigation system that allows different tracking, that is to allow land, sea and airborne users to determine their exact location or velocity and time, and it can be accessed in all weather conditions. And if one have or if one has a GPS receiver, he can access the benefits of global positioning system or GPS. And in this GPS system, 24 satellites or a constellation of 24 satellites are used, and they are circles the earth in the near circular inclined orbits. And among these 24 satellites, for tracking a position, it may be needed at least 4 of these satellites. That is, by receiving signals at least from these 4 of these satellites, the receiver position, that is position means the latitude, longitude and altitude, can be determined accurately. And the main feature or distinguishing feature of this GPS system, that it uses one-way transmission. That is, if the signals is transmitted from the satellite to users, so that the user does not require a transmitter. That is, only receiver has to be needed for a GPS user. It is a one-way transmission, and the only quantity the receiver has to be able to measure is the time, and from which the propagation delay and hence the range of each satellite can be determined. And in a GPS or a global positioning system, each satellite broadcasts ephemeris. That means it is a table that contains the orbital elements, and from this table the position can be calculated. And knowing the range of or knowing the range to three of these satellites and their position, it is very easy or it is possible to compute the position of the observer. And we have already told there are 24 satellites, but in order to find a position of a particular body, it only needs 3 satellites, or by range or knowing the range to this or any 3 of the satellites, and by knowing their position from this table, it is able to compute the position of the observer. And the geocentric equatorial coordinate system, that is it is used for, or it is used with the GPS system, and where it is called as earth-centered earth fixed coordinate system, ECEF coordinate system. That means earth centered earth fixed coordinate system. And the GPS constellation consists of 24 satellites, and it is arranged in the 6 near circular orbits, and its altitude is approximately 20,000 kilometer. And the ascending nodes, or we are already detailed about these different kinds of terms in the satellite or in an orbit of a satellite communication system. That is, ascending nodes of the satellites or the orbits are separated by 60, and that of inclination of each orbit is 55 degree. And these 4 satellites in each orbit are irregularly spaced. They are not regularly spaced. There are 24 satellites, and they are arranged in 6 orbits, and each orbit consists of 4 satellites. And the main advantage of this global positioning system or GPS is that it is based on, or it is a navigation system based on, and it is a navigation system that is mainly used for military, civil and commercial uses, and it can be also used for vehicle tracking system, and it is a very high speed satellite communication system. And the main drawbacks or disadvantages of GPS are that these GPS signals are too weak compared to a telephone signal. It is too weak, and it will not be work under in well indoors, underwater and under trees. The signal strength may be poor, and the higher accuracy or the highest accuracy means it demands line of sight from the receiver to the satellite. And the GPS accuracy mainly depends on the received signal quality, and this signal's quality or the signal may be affected due to the multipath interference. That is, the signals from the different path can result in interference, and this interference or multipath interference can cause damage to, or the GPS signal gets affected by this multipath interference. These are all about GPS, that is advantages and disadvantages of global positioning system. Okay, thank you.